Well friends, here is the next problem. The given problem is 122, 145, 170, question mark, 226 and 257. To get the answer, first let me consider the given question. That is 122, 145, 170, question mark, 226 and 257. Friends, whenever you are supposed to solve the problems based on the numbers, you should be perfect with the tables, a minimum from 25 to 30. You should be perfect with the squares up to 30, and you should be perfect with the cubes, minimum up to 10 or 15, 10 to 15. Why? Because, look at here now. When you observe these numbers carefully, now these numbers are nearer to squares of some numbers. For example, when you consider 122 number, this 122 is what? Nearer to the square of 11. Now what is square of 11? It is 121. I am having 122. That means square of 11 plus 1. Okay. Now when you observe 145, this 145 is nearer to what? Square of 12. That is, square of 12 is what? 144. I am having 145. That means I have to add 1. That is, square of 12 plus 1 is 145. Similarly, when you observe 170, this 170 is nearer to square of 13. Now what is the square of 13? It is 169. I am having 170. So I have to add 1 to what? Square of 13. The square of 13 is 169 plus 1 is 170. Now when you consider 226, this 226 is nearer to square of 15. Now what is square of 15? It is 225. That I am having 226, that means I have to add 1. That is square of 15 plus 1 is 226. And lastly, when you observe 257, this 257 is nothing but it is nearer to square of 16. That is 256. I am having 257, that means I need to add 1. Now see here, here it is square of 11 plus 1, square of 12 plus 1, square of 13 plus 1, square of 15 plus 1, square of 16 plus 1. So ultimately, with this logic, the missing number would be square of 14 plus 1. Now what is square of 14 plus 1 will be? Square of 14 is what? It is 196 plus 1, it will be 197. So the missing number will be 197. Now let me check the given options. The given first option is 197 itself. Therefore, the first option is the right option because it is matching with our result. Well friends, we will see some more number of problems.